Hello students, I am Dr. Krishnada Parvin, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, GMC Bithia. Today I am going to discuss about midbrain. Midbrain, it is the most rostral part of the brain stem. Connect the diencephalon with the cerebrum to the pons. The midbrain is the shortest segment of the brain stem, being not more than 2 cm in length. Most of it lies in the posterior cranial fossa, with its upper part passing through the tentorial notch. See the diagram. This part is midbrain. This part is known as midbrain. It is most rostral part of the brain stem. Here is midbrain, this is pons and this is medulla. Here diencephalon and this is cerebrum with the cerebellum. Okay. For convenience of descriptions, midbrain can be divided into broadly into two parts. The part lying behind a transverse line drawn through a cerebral aqueduct is called tectum. The part posterior part of the midbrain is known as tectum. Consists of pretectal area and the corpora quadrigemina. Quadrigemina means 4 parts, 4 organs. The paired superior and inferior colliculi. The part lying in front of the transverse line made up of right and left half called cerebral peduncle. Each peduncle consists of 3 parts. From anterior to posterior side, it is known as crus cerebri, the substantia nigra and the tegmentum. Or in other words, you can see cerebral peduncle is divided into 2 parts by intervening substantia nigra. The part anterior to substantia nigra is known as crus cerebri. The part posterior to substantia nigra is known as tegmentum. And the part which is posterior to tegmentum is known as tectum. See the diagram. It is the dorsal aspect of the midbrain. Here are the corpora quadrigemina. This is corpora quadrigemina, upper 2 elevation, lower 2 elevation. Upper 2 elevation is known as superior colliculus. Lower 2 elevations are known as inferior colliculus. There is a yellow nerve. In this diagram we show the yellow nerve, which is 4th cranial nerve or trochlear nerve. Okay. Here is the pineal gland. In the ventral aspect of the midbrain, the structure you see in this diagram, there are bundles of the nerve fibers. It is known as cerebral peduncle. This is known as cerebral peduncle. From middle aspect of the cerebral peduncle, there is third nerve, and from the lateral side emerges 4th cranial nerve, which emerges from the dorsal aspect of the midbrain. It is the only nerve which emerge from the dorsal aspect of the midbrain. Okay. This cerebral peduncle form the caudolateral border of the interpeduncular fossa. This part is known as interpeduncular fossa. This is optic nerve, it is optic tract, which form the ventrolateral or rostrolateral border. This is the interpeduncular fossa. Crus cerebri or cerebral peduncle form the caudolateral part of this. It form a V-shaped area. In the angle of V-shaped area, there is posterior perforated substance. Here is the posterior perforated substance. See again in this diagram, this part is midbrain. It is aqueduct of Sylvius which passes through the midbrain. It divides midbrain into 2 parts. The dorsal part of the midbrain behind the aqueduct of Sylvius is tectum, and ventral part is known as cerebral peduncle, which again divided into 3 parts. From ventral to dorsal, it is crus cerebri, then substantia nigra, then tegmentum. Okay.